wow, this could be a place where people can come and get connected to the water. And so it's really provided our team just a wonderful space to do business and to connect with our customers and to the community.
Thank you for the business that you've given us.
MarineMax represents about a third of what we build. They're the #1 retailer in the world.
I think what makes MarineMax such a strong company is its people. The Charleston store, and what has developed into a top 15, borderline top 10 store out of 17 retail locations, is its people.
Keep it up, and if there's anything we can do, we're going to be here for you because y'all been here for us. Thank you so much.